Well done, sir. Port Said is still the focus of world attention. But now it's the United Nations emergency force that's coming more and more into the picture. Arriving in 3 ships, the Yugoslav contingent underlined the progress of the build-up of the force, which is reported to be going well. British troops, by the way, did everything possible to help them on arrival. This contingent, a reconnaissance battalion of some 700 men, was later ordered to take up its position at the rear of the Egyptian lines. Another recent arrival at Port Said was a Danish contingent. Coming in by train from another sector, they were to join with Norwegian troops in carrying out patrol duties in the town. Swedish troops about to leave for Egypt were first inspected by King Gustav. It looked pretty cold over there. What a contrast to the sunny warmth into which they'd soon be flying. The whole situation in the Canal Zone is now undergoing a fairly rapid transformation. The announcement of Anglo-French withdrawal and the instructions to General Keatley, Allied C&C, to seek agreement with the UN commander on a timetable is to be followed by a phased takeover. Here, for example, United Nations troops are taking over from the British in advanced positions at El Cap. The frontline trenches were all ready for the new occupants. As British and French troops withdraw, responsibility for the future of the canal, and indeed the settlement of Middle East problems, falls squarely on the United Nations.
Most extraordinary thing, it popped up.